Hello everyone, it's Kevin here at EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier solutions. At EyouAgro, we pride ourselves on our advanced manufacturing processes. Our fully automatic aluminum eyeletted machines operate with precision, ensuring every tarpaulin meets the highest standards of quality. Our commitment to excellence extends to our strict inspection procedures. This meticulous attention to detail guarantees the superior quality of our products. Efficiency is key in our operations. With our streamlined management system, we manage to ship 4 high-cube containers monthly, ensuring timely delivery to our clients worldwide. Crafted with 100% Virgin HDPE and reinforced with dual-sided LDPE lamination, our tarpaulins offer unmatched waterproofing capabilities. But that's not all. We've integrated UV protection and a special 4-layer taped selvage into our tarpaulins. This not only enhances durability, but also provides additional protection to your cherries. Our goal is to provide solutions that fit your specific needs, ensuring clarity and precision in safeguarding your cherries. If you need more expert advice on selecting the right rain cover, contact our team for a comprehensive consultation. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.